Starting over is a unique opportunity to reshape your life, make empowering choices, and pursue the future you want. While beginning with little or no money can be challenging, it's also a chance to build a strong foundation for long-term success. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to set clear goals, develop a positive mindset, manage your finances, and seek support, helping you create a fresh start and a life you're proud of. Deciding how you want to live. Be clear on why you're starting over, out of need or desire. If it's out of need, identify what must change. If it's out of desire, define what your ideal life looks like. If moving is part of your fresh start, research affordable places with good job opportunities and plan carefully to make the most of your funds. Decide which relationships to maintain. Starting over may mean letting some people go while keeping others close. Choose who fits into your new life and how, or if you'll share your plans with them. Keep a goal journal. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting, setting short and long-term goals, and updating them as you grow. Make sure they align with the life you want to build. Break each goal into clear, actionable steps. Use this list as a guide to make big goals feel achievable and keep yourself in control. Embrace new experiences with positivity. Replace words like weird with exciting, and when anxiety hits, focus on one positive thing around you. Be patient and kind to yourself. Starting over takes time, so celebrate small wins and remind yourself often you're doing great. Rebuilding your financial life. List all your debts with amounts, due dates, and interest rates. Keep it updated and mark them off as you pay them down. Create a savings plan to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Decide how much to save each month and learn smart money habits to build financial stability. Adopt a thrifty lifestyle. Choose affordable, safe housing, research cost of living, and look for ways to save, like living car-free or in a lower-cost area. Find a job by creating a strong resume that highlights your skills. Explore job sites, temp agencies, or even start your own small business, but be sure to apply only to legitimate opportunities. Make backup plans for major decisions. Considering best and worst case scenarios can reduce anxiety and help you navigate challenges. Talk to a financial advisor. Search online for financial advisors in your area and reach out to ask if they offer free or low-cost consultations. If they do, schedule an appointment and bring all relevant financial documents with you. A good advisor can help you understand your current situation, create a realistic plan, and guide you toward financial stability. Some may also invite you to join financial support groups, where you can learn and share experiences with others on the same journey. And getting help from others. Explore government programs and speak with local officials to see what assistance is available. Use these programs as a temporary boost for your finances while preparing for future success. And be sure to follow all program guidelines. Talk to friends and family about your goals and plans. They may offer advice, support, or resources to help you start fresh. Consider staying with friends or family temporarily. It can help you save on living expenses while giving you time to find an affordable place that fits your budget. Make professional connections whenever you can. Treat every interaction as an opportunity to build mutually helpful relationships, and be friendly and approachable whenever you meet new people. Consider talking with a therapist. Search online for local professionals and see if any offer free sessions or group therapy. This can help you reflect on past choices and make positive changes, while support groups can also connect you with new friends for your fresh start. Thanks for watching.